What's the meaning of cheering? Cheering. Cheering.
Cheering. Cheering. Cheering typically refers to the act of expressing joy, enthusiasm, or support for someone or something. This could include cheering at a sporting event to encourage your team, cheering on a friend during a race, or even cheering yourself up when feeling down. The result of cheering can be a boost in morale and motivation, a sense of community and belonging, and an overall positive experience. It can help individuals feel more connected to each other and can create a sense of shared excitement and energy.